Hello everyone, happy Friday. You guys have worked really hard all week and we are almost done. So now we're on the back side of our notes for today. And let's see. So I want to actually start at the bottom with this problem just to give you an example of each type of problem you'll see on your quiz today. So it says Verizon is offering a Get Through Star special. So discount 1 is to take 5% off of the original price of an Android Nexus 6P and then receive a $100 rebate. Discount 2 is to take 10% off the original price of the Apple iPhone and then receive a $40 rebate. So a Millard student is deciding between the two iPhones. So either the Android has an original price of $499, and then so let's take a look at that. So the discount for the Android that you can get is 5% off the original price. So let's take a look. What is 5% of the original price? The original price is $499. So remember yesterday we reviewed our percent proportion. Oopsies, sorry. Let me go back. Okay, so we reviewed our percent proportion and we know that it's is over of or part over whole, they mean the same thing, equals percent over 100. So what we're looking for is 5%, so 5 over 100% of $499. So that's on the bottom, that's the whole. The top is x, we need to do our cross product. So 100x equals, and I'm going to go over here and do my 499 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is 9, 49. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So 2,495. And then we have to isolate our x, so we're going to divide both sides by 100. And when we divide by 100, we simply move our decimal place 2 points to the left. So x will equal 24.95. Now, if it's a discount, do we add or subtract it? So we subtract it, right? It's 5% off. So we're going to do $499 minus $24.95. Add my zeros. I have to borrow all the way over here. This becomes a 10, but I have to borrow again, so it's a 9. And that's a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. And a 4 here. So far it's $474.05. But then we have a $100 rebate. So that means once we purchase the phone, we'll pay this much, and then they will send us in the mail our $100. So minus $100. So we'll be down at 0.547. So it'll be $374.05 for the Android. Now let's take a look at the iPhone. See which one we'd rather do. So the original price of $499. So let's take a look. So they received 10% off. Okay, so the iPhone. So what is 10%? So 10 over 100 of $499. So x is here. Now I have 100x equals, and if you multiply times 10, so my trick is times 10, you move your decimal one place to the right because there's 1 0. So you move it one place to the right. So one place to the right would put me at 4,990. Then you divide by 100. So divide by 100. There's 2 zeros. So I move it 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So X is 49.90. And that's a discount. So do we add it or subtract it? Right, we're going to subtract it. So $499 minus $49.90. So this is a bigger percentage off, right? It should be double. $24.95 doubled is $49.90. I have to borrow here, so this becomes an 8. That's a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. I have to borrow again. 9 becomes 8. 18, 9, 4, 4. So $449.10. This one also has a rebate, but only of $40. So let's subtract the $40. So 10 cents here, 940. So 409.10. So that rebate was huge for number 1. So actually our Android phone will be less. And let's see by how much. So let's find the difference. So 409.10 minus 374.05. I have to borrow 10 minus 5 is 5, 0, 5, borrow 10, 3. So $35. So the Android is $35.05 less than the iPhone. All right, let's go right back up to the top of our notes. It says Tandera's monthly income is $4,200. 25% of her income goes to taxes. 10% goes to savings. She spends $1,200 a month on rent, $280 per month on groceries, $250 on her car payment, and $210 per month on gasoline. What percent of her budget does she spend on gasoline and car maintenance? So first, I'm going to try to organize this information. So I know her income is $4,200. And then over here, I'm going to put her expenses. So, and then I'll put an amount or percent, whichever one they give us. So our first expense, it says 25% goes to taxes. So taxes, and that's a percent. So 25%. And 10% goes in savings. So savings is 10%. She spends $1,200 a month on rent. So rent, and I have the amount, so $1,200. She spends $280 per month on groceries. So groceries, $280. $250 for her car payment. And $210 per month on gasoline and maintenance. So gas, and I'm just going to put maintenance like that. And that was $210 per month. So what percent of the budget does she spend on gasoline and car maintenance? So if you'll notice, they gave us a lot of extra information, but we're looking at gas and car maintenance. So it's saying what percent is gas and car maintenance out of her total income. So again, is over of equals percent over 100. So I'm setting up my proportions. So what is, or what percent, percent is 210 out of her income, 4,200. So we're going to do cross product. 4,200x equals 210 times 100. Again, we said there's 2 zeros, so we move our decimal twice to the right. So 210 and adding 2 zeros, so that's 21,000, sorry. Divide, we have to get x by itself, so divide by 4,200, divide by 4,200. I need to do my division, 21,000 divided by $4,200. So let's see, does not go into 2,100, so it needs to go into 21,000. I know that 4 goes into 25 times. I'm going to give that a try to start with. 4,200 times 5, 0, 0, 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Excellent. So x is 5, so it's going to be 5%. So B. Alrighty, Elizabeth, that's for you. She makes fun of me for saying that all the time. Okay, guys, gonna be honest, messed up several times, so go ahead to the next video for the rest.